How to use zero point 0.5 on TikTok. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can use the 0.5 camera on TikTok. Now let's just get right into it. The first thing you need to make sure is that your phone does have the zero point 0.5 wide lens camera. And if it doesn't have that hardware, then you won't be able to do so. But in TikTok, what you can do is simply open it up first. Make sure that you are logged in, and once you are logged in, you can just tap on the plus icon that you see at the bottom. So if you tap on the plus icon, it will open up your camera. Now, once you land on this page, you have different options here. You have the video option, and if you tap on the photo, you'll get to the photo section as well. So if you are on the video section, unfortunately, there is no way to access your 0.5 camera. But what you can do instead is head over to the photo section, and on the right side you find different tools like flipping your camera, the flash icon, timer, and right below that you have this arrow kind of thing. If you tap on it, what happens is it will enable the zero point 0.5 camera and you will see the white lens. So if I just lift up a bit and then tap it here, as you can see now, it's showing less area, but it has converted into the wide mode. So that's how you use the 0.5 mode on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.